You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing brand names as well. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In American English, I guess it's a US company, right? And is it present in the UK? I don't know, let me know in the comments. But in the US it's said as Costco, Costco. Now in Britain, in the UK, Costco, Costco is how it be said. Costco in America, in the USA. And now you know more videos where you're here to learn more pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.